Hello grade 1, let's study together our lesson today, telling time, analog and digit. Telling time and analog digit. Let's see together analog clock. The first, analog clock. What is the meaning of analog clock? Analog clock consists of numbers of hours. We have how many hours in one day? Yes, excellent, we have 24 hours, but we have morning and evening. So here in analog clock we have the numbers from 1 up to 12. 12 o'clock. We have 12 o'clock for analog clock. In this analog clock we have two hands, short hand and long hand. Short hand and long hand. First, study long hand. Long hand, it's meaning for minutes. Meaning for minutes. Okay? And short hand, it's meaning for hours. It's referred to for hours. Okay? So if we have a long hand, stop at 12 o'clock, it's o'clock. It's o'clock. Again, we have it's o'clock. And we can move the short hand above into the numbers 4 o'clock. Okay? As the same, for example, we can move this short hand up to 3. So it's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. We can rewrite here as it's 3 o'clock. Again, 3 o'clock. Okay? If we have a long hand at 12 o'clock and short hand for hours at 3, so we can say that it's 3 o'clock. What time is it? Look at here, we have a long hand at 12, so it's o'clock. And short hand, it's moved to the number 4. So the short hand refers to 4 hours. So it's 4 o'clock. We can say that it's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. Again, look at here for this analog clock. We have a long hand stand up and at the number 12, and short hand stand up at the number 2. So we can say that it's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. You can check your answer for this. You can try this. Here we have a long hand for 12 and short hand for 1. So what time is it? What time is it? Don't forget to read the title carefully. What time is it? Okay? Here we have short hand stand up at 1 and long hand stand up at 12 o'clock. So we can say that it's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. Again, it's 1 o'clock. Here in this example, we have here long hand stand up at 12. So we can say that it's o'clock. Here and short hand, it's a number 5. We can say that it's 5 o'clock. We can rewrite it's 5 o'clock. Okay? The second type for time, it's digital clock. Digital clock, we can rewrite the time by the second way. We have 2 space at the right between 2 number above and below together, and 2 space right above the 2 point. Let's see together. We have here 2 space right and 2 space left. 2 space right and 2 space left. And between of them we have 2 points above and below together. Okay? So what time is it for this digital clock? We can write here it's 3 o'clock. We have here a long hand stand up at 12, so it's o'clock. And the short hand for hours stand up at 3, so we can write at 3 o'clock. We can write the number for hours here in the first space left to 2 points. Okay, left to 2 points. 3 here. And we have it's o'clock. So we can write 4 minutes here. Here, the 2 space refer to 4 minutes. We can write here when I can see it's o'clock, we can write 2 zeros. 2 0. It's 3 o'clock. And we have here free space because we have the number 3 consists of one digit, so we can replace this free space by 0. So it's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. Okay? Let's see together. Okay. You can write 30 o'clock? No, we don't have 30 o'clock. We can't replace 3 and 0 because here it's 30 o'clock, but we have up to 12 o'clock. Up to 12 o'clock. Okay? So this form it's wrong. This form it's wrong. So when we can write the time for analog clock here by can replace digital clock, it's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. Write the digital time. That's our title for this example here. Repeat after me. Write the digital time. Write the digital time. First example. Sorry. First example here, we have two hands. Long hand refer to up to 12 and short hand refer to 10. So we can say that the time it's 10 o'clock. You can ask yourself, 10 consists of one digit or two digit? Yes, consists of two digit. We have two free spaces left, so we can make space for digital clock. Write 10, you can write here 10, 0 and 1. It's 10 o'clock. O'clock. We can replace for the space for minutes by 20. It's 10 o'clock. I ask a question. You can make the third space for this time? No, because we have only two spaces right to the 2 points above and below together, and two spaces to the left for the 2 points here. Okay? We don't have the third space. So we have 10 o'clock. Let's see another example here. We have long hand stand up at 12 and short hand stand at 11. So we can say that this time it's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. We can write at the left space 11 in two spaces and o'clock replaced by 2 zeros for minute. It's 11 o'clock. Again, look at this example. We have here two hands, short and long hand standing above and 12. So we can say that it's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Again, you can write this number by using the second way, digital time. 12 consists of two digits, and in minutes replaced by 2 zeros because it's o'clock. It's o'clock. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. Okay? Draw hands to show the time. Draw hands to show the time. We will learn together how we can draw two hands, short and long hand. Here, what time is it? Yes, it's 9 o'clock. So we must draw the long hand standing at 12 and short hand standing at 9. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Here in the second example, here we have, what time is it? It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. So we must make a long hand standing at the number 12 and a short hand for hours standing at the number 10. The last example here we have, what time is it? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. We must standing the long hand at the 12 and short hand standing at the number 8. So what time is it? It's 8 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. That's our lesson today for telling time analog and digital for grade 1. Thank you, grade 1. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel of MBS. Thank you very much.